is a really good one. Someone says, I heard in one of your podcasts that you priced your Lamborghini up to $30,000 a month. How could somebody do that? And why wouldn't they just go buy their own Lamborghini? But once again, it all just goes back to knowing your avatar, knowing your niche, right? Once again, there's the Walmart customers, and then there's like your Gucci customers. These guys, they don't. It's 30,000 is a lot of money to you. There's people out there that it's nothing. They spend that in a day. Right? So you also gotta, like, there's levels in life, right? There's people that's nothing. It's the same thing when you wonder, why would somebody spend 15, 20, 30,000 on to fly private just to go from Dallas to California or whatever when you could fly, you know, JetBlue or Spirit Airlines for $100 or $200 or whatever. It's the same premise, right? There's people out there that's no money to them. It might sound like a lot to you. There's no money to them. So I choose to cater and go after those type of people. And for me, it's not only just off of the money, but also I don't get as many problems. People, like, as they say, like, cheap customers always come with bigger problems. Premium customers don't haggle you much. I've had customers that rent cars and don't even drive them. Right now, one of my Lambos, my Evo, has been on a monthly rental and it's barely done up to 150 miles. Kid you not. This guy's hardly driven his car. It's been parked in his... Matter of fact, we had to keep reaching out to him to make sure, like, hey, you need to start this car because the battery's gonna die out. And there's people like that, okay? He just wants to know that whenever he does want to dip out, a Lambo's outside waiting on him, right? And he's paying us monthly for that. Because it doesn't make sense in your world, it does not mean it doesn't for several other people. And plus also, guys, don't forget, the rich operate with LLC. They live their lives inside of an LLC. Everything's a write-off. They're not paying this stuff. This is probably a business write-off for these people. They gotta